Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about open pipe. What is the open pipe? Actually, it is one of the second year long answer. It is very important for board exams. What is open pipe? Generally, you know that when two progressive waves are traveling in opposite direction, both are superposed to each other and it gives the stationary wave. Now we are going to discuss about how the stationary wave is formed in the open pipe. First of all, what is the open pipe? It is organ pipe, the pipe which is opened at both the ends. If the pipe is open at both the ends, that is called the open pipe. But how the stationary wave is formed in this? See, because of trapping of the air inside the tube, the incident is going forward direction like this. Inside the pipe and outside the pipe, pressure difference is there, and this is the boundary of that two medias. Here air is trapped. Because of the trapping of the air, a part of the wave is coming back and superposed to this one, and it forms the longitudinal stationary wave in open pipe. If the displacement is maximum at open end, it gives the antinode, and this is the node, antinode, node, antinode, node, antinode. So stationary wave means it gives the alternate antinodes and nodes. But we should remember here, always at open end we can observe the antinode, because the maximum displacement. At closed end we should observe the node, but here there is no closed end, means both the sides we should observe the antinode. Now we are going to discuss about fundamental frequency. Fundamental frequency. Fundamental frequency I am representing with N1. Look, we are taking open pipe. It has two antinodes and one node. Length of the pipe we should calculate. Here antinode to node distance is the lambda by 4, and here to here distance is the lambda by 4. Otherwise we know that the distance between two successive antinodes is lambda by 2. From this, lambda equals to 2L. So frequency N1 equals to V by lambda 1, N1 equals to V by 2L. This is the expression for fundamental frequency. This is the expression for fundamental frequency, and it has two antinodes and one node. Now we are going to discuss about first overtone or second harmonic. First overtone or second harmonic. First of all, what is the overtone? If the frequency is greater than fundamental frequency, those are called the overtones. And if the frequency is integral multiple of that fundamental frequency, those are called the harmonics. Here fundamental frequency we can call that is as a first harmonic also. Now you see, look this diagram. It has two antinodes and one node. In this, it has three antinodes and two nodes. L equals to 2 lambda by 2. Then lambda equals to 2L by 2. Now frequency of first overtone is V by, if you should take this is lambda 2 means lambda 2. So N2 equals to V by 2L by 2. Then N2 equals to 2V by 2L. From this, N2 equals to 2N1. That's why it is 2 times greater than that fundamental frequency, means second harmonic. It is more than fundamental frequency. This is called the second harmonic and first overtone. Now we are going to discuss about second overtone. Second overtone or third harmonic. Second overtone or third harmonic. Look here. It has how many antinodes? It has 4 antinodes, 3 notes. L equals to lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2. Third one means we are taking lambda 3. Lambda 3 equals to 2L by 3. Then frequency of this one is V by 2L by 3. So N3 equals to 3 into V by 2L. N3 equals to 3N1. Now the ratio of this one is N1 is N2 is N3 is 1 is to 2 is to 3. The pipe which is open at both the ends is called the open pipe. Here is air is trapped inside this, then it forms the longitudinal stationary wave because of superpose of incident and reflected progressive waves. Now fundamental frequency. Basic frequency is velocity by wavelength. Wavelength we should calculate in terms of formation of that wave. So when we can go for fundamental, it has 2 antinodes and 1 node is there. Lambda equals to 2L. Then N1 equals to V by 2L. If the frequency is more than fundamental frequency, that is called the overtone, and if it is integral multiple of fundamental frequency, those are called the harmonics. So it can be called second harmonic because it has 2 times of that fundamental frequency, and it is more than fundamental frequency means first overtone. So it has 3 antinodes and 2 nodes, and N2 equals to 2 times of that N1. Then second overtone or third harmonic frequency is N3 equals to 3N1. The ratio is N1 is, N2 is, N3 is, 1 is to 2 is to 3. Thank you.